মোস্ট কমন কোশ্চেনস যেগুলো আমরা কারো পরিচয় নেওয়ার জন্য ব্যবহার করে থাকি সেগুলো আমরা দেখব। একদম সিম্পল এবং সহজ প্রশ্ন দিয়ে শুরু করা হয়েছে। What is your name? My name is Shara. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Imma. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Where were you born? I was born in Chittagong. Then, what is your hobby? My hobby is painting. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. Who do you live with? Athoba, whom do you live with? I live with my family. What is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is coffee. Where do you work? I work at a university. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is cricket. What do you like to do for fun? I like to read books. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception, English movie obviously. Inception. Who is your role model? My role model is my father. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is Pride and Prejudice. Why did you go to school? I went to Dhaka Public School. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is Imagine. আমরা অন্য কোনো ইংরেজি গানের নামও বলতে পারি। Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Sabina Yasmin. Where do you usually spend your holidays? I usually spend them in Cox's Bazar. Then, what is your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be an entrepreneur. Uddokta. Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Tom Hanks. আমরা বলতে পারি সালমান শাহ, সালমান খান, etc. What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Friends. আমরা বলতে পারি talk show or sport debate, etc. Where do you usually shop? I usually shop at Bosundara Mall. What kind of music do you like? I like classical music. Who is your favorite author? My favorite author is J.K. Rowling. What is your favorite game? My favorite game is chess. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. Where is your hometown? My hometown is Sylhet. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What language do you speak at home? I speak Bengali. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Who is your favorite athlete? My favorite athlete is Messi. Where do you want to travel? I want to travel to Japan. What is your dream job? My dream job is to be a writer. What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is ice cream. Dessert হচ্ছে মিষ্টি জাতীয় দ্রব্যাদি. Where do your parents live? My parents live in Dhaka. What is your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Eid. Who is your closest sibling? My closest sibling is my sister. Sibling হচ্ছে একই পিতামাতার সন্তান, সহোদর ভাই বোন. What kind of movies do you like? I like action movies. What is your favorite flower? My favorite flower is a rose. Where do you go to relax? Relax মানে হচ্ছে আরাম করা, আয়েশ করা. I go to the park to relax. Who is your favorite comedian? My favorite comedian is Kevin Hart. বাংলাদেশি প্রেক্ষিতে এটাও বলতে পারি দিলদার or ATM Samsudjaman, etc. What kind of books do you read? I read fiction books. গল্প কাহিনী. What is your zodiac sign? My zodiac sign is Leo. Who inspires you the most? My mother inspires me the most. Thank you.